Hi there and welcome to this video on the channel where I'm going to walk you through some basic Qi Gong movements to help you boost your Qi and boost your life force energy. So to begin with, just find somewhere comfortable to stand, wear some comfortable loose fitting clothing that isn't going to restrict any movement. You can have your feet barefoot or in shoes, whatever you wish, whatever's comfortable for you, barefoot preferable. And then you can have a nice connection with the ground and you can bring full awareness to the soles of the feet and the ground. And to begin with, all we're going to do is just allow our hands to just hang and allow the body to just feel centered. Close the eyes, follow your breathing, and just allow the feeling of relaxation to pass from the top of the head down to the soles of the feet, and allowing that feeling of relaxation to move through all the joints, all the muscles, so you can have full relaxation. And the more you relax, the easier your energy will flow internally. And once you've got that nice feeling of relaxation and the arms are hanging loosely, the hands feel heavy, the feet are nice heavily connected to the ground, we're just going to, from the hips, we're just going to spin and twist at the hips and just allow that relaxed feeling to continue in the arms, and just allow your arms to swing gently. No tension in the arms, no tension in the shoulders, eyes closed, just focusing on your breathing and focusing on that gentle movement. And what this does is the hands start to tap against the body, it starts to generate the chi with your breath, with your movement, starting to bring some movement into the body. You start to move the oxygen that you breathe around the body in the bloodstream, and you're generating that life force energy. And you can gently start to make that move a little bit stronger by putting some more awareness into the hips, allowing the arms to swing a little bit harder, and allowing the hands to hit the body a little bit harder as well. And now just bring the hands to the front. We're going to breathe in. We're going to bend the knees a little bit. So we're going to have a little dip. We're going to breathe in. Breathe out. Bringing hands to the start position. Breathing in. Breathing out. Have the eyes closed if you wish. Breathing in. And breathing out. And as you breathe in, you extend through the knees to bring a little bit more height. And as you breathe out, you sink back down into the knees. You're not having the hands and the arms rigidly straight, but you're not having them totally relaxed either. There's going to be a feeling of some energy flowing through the hands, through the arms, and the energy extending out of the fingertips. We'll just do one more. Now as we're going to breathe in, we're going to breathe in. We're going to dip the legs as we did a little bit before. We're going to breathe in, cross the hands in front of us, extend up to the ceiling, and we're going to breathe out and bring the hands to either side. For this one, you can have your eyes open, so you're going to want to be able to see the hands in your peripheral vision. And this helps to expand your awareness, expand your physical vision. Really taking some nice deep inhales, long slow exhales, and controlling the movement of the breath with the body. So with Qi Gong, it's all about the breath, body movement, and having that feeling of relaxed but centered control. And then what we're going to do is just take a gentle stance to the left. This is known as opening the door. So you're opening the door and you're going to breathe in. You're going to move back in the stance slightly and breathe out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Again, all the movements controlled around the breath. I'm going to move to the other side. So we change stance. Just do the same again. Breathing in and out. In, out. In and out. And moving back to the original stance. Again, feet roughly shoulder width apart. We're going to breathe in. We're going to extend one hand to the ceiling. The other hand is going to extend and point down to the ground. I'm going to breathe out. And bring the hand back to the start position. And then we're going to breathe in. Same on the other side. We're going to breathe in. One hand extends to the ceiling, the other hand extends to the ground. We're going to breathe out. Again, keeping that controlled breath, controlled movement. This move is also known as the crane spreading its wings. And now just bring your feet a little bit close together and just allow yourself to just gently bounce up and down the spot. You're going to breathe in, extend the hands up. Just allow that looseness to allow the hands to just bounce. Feel that nice gentle feeling of bouncing, move through the body. This helps with releasing any energy blocks. Helps to get the lower muscles engaged. Take some nice deep breaths in, some long slow exhales. Bring the hands back down to the side. Again, just allowing yourself to just bounce on the spot. And now with the fingertips, you're just going to gently start tapping the top of the head. Just little raindrops on the top of the head. This helps to energize all the little capillaries, all the sensory points beneath the skin. It helps to relax, helps with headaches and tension. Something we do in Indian head massage techniques. It's really good for releasing toxins. And then come to the back of the head, just gently tapping around the back of the head, behind the ears, around by the temples, around to the forehead. Just gently tapping that, little raindrops on the forehead, just allowing all the muscles in the forehead to relax. Bring that tippy-tappy feeling down to the cheekbones, just below the eyes, allowing all the muscles in the face to just relax. Down to the jawline, and the throat, just gently around the throat. Down into the chest, just gently tapping at the chest. Moving down the body, down to the solar plexus, down to the sacral region. Making gentle fists down to the hips. Around the back, the kidneys. Either side of the legs, down the thighs, down to the knees, calves and shins. Then go on the inside of the legs, back up. Just gently tapping, back up to the hips. And taking your right hand to the left shoulder, just start to gently tap with that gentle fist around the neck, base of the neck and the shoulder. And down the arm, to the hand, turning the hand over, back over the other side. Same on the other side. Left hand to the right shoulder. Down the arms, into the hands. Turn the hand and back up the other side. Just take the fingertips, just rotate the elbows, and just give yourself a little bit of a massage at the shoulders. Just really working those traps and allowing that relaxation, allowing that softness and ease to take over the body. Just shake the hands, shake the feet. And now just start rubbing the palms together. And we're going to generate that chi that we started to build up in the body. Be aware of the heat that's building up in the hands. Really work those palms together vigorously. Feel that heat. Take some nice long deep breaths in, some long slow exhales as you generate this chi in the palms. working with your electromagnetic field between the palms. And here, what we're going to do is just going to imagine we've got a ball of energy between our hands. And this ball is about the size of a football. And I want you to just focus your awareness on the hands and on the space between the hands. We're going to bring a little bit of a mindfulness practice now to this Qi Gong session. Just bring full awareness to that space between the hands. Just be aware of what you feel, any sensations, any tingling. You might be aware of a stickiness or a denseness between the palms. You might just be aware of a tingling feeling in the palms from exerting and rubbing the palms together. And now just gently rotate the palms as though trying to rotate that ball of energy between the palms. Now come back to squeezing that ball, moving the hands in and out. Full awareness in the hands and between the hands. We're going to make that ball a little bit smaller, to about the size of a tennis ball. And we're going to squeeze that ball, see what we feel, see what we're aware of. And we're going to make that ball a little bit smaller, like the size of a snooker ball. Really trying to get the hands as close as possible, but not touching. Just being aware of what you feel. You may now feel a slight resistance between the palms. And bringing the palms even close together. An even stronger resistance between them, so you can't quite touch the hands together. But now you're going to push that a little bit further and bring the palms totally together. Bring them to prayer pose at the chest. Close your eyes. Take a couple of nice deep breaths in. Give yourself some gratitude for taking the time to do this Qigong session today. Just a few basic moves and techniques to allow you to send Qi, this life force energy, around your whole body. And set yourself a little intention for your day, for your night. Whatever time of day it is for you, just set yourself a little intention of some peace, some thanks, gratitude, compassion, some wonderful positive energy, and send that out into every day. And follow this video and do this video every day. Be aware of the benefits, be aware of what you feel, be aware of the energization you might feel in the body, be aware of the change in attitude, changes in mood, and just a general feeling of wellness and peace and stillness. And bring your palms, just rub them together. Bring your palms, hands by your side. I'd like to thank you for joining me today for this Qigong session, and I'll see you in the next video.